Welcome to our facility. We maintain the highest standards of safety and quality throughout the production process.
Move this one to zone 4. Confirmed, log in the pigskins now.
Confirming shipment 7B. Temperatures holding steady at 36 degrees Fahrenheit.
Copy that. Bringing the first pallet in now. Watch the clearance on the left.
Temperature check on batch 42.
Maintaining 2 degrees Celsius. Documented.
The pH is holding steady right at 12.
Noted. We are just past the 4-hour mark. I'll confirm the temperature log.
The spectrophotometer reading confirms the color values are within the acceptable range.
Everything accounted for on the manifest.
Perfect. Sign the tablet. Have a safe trip.
Gelatin is whipped with sugar syrup, creating the fluffy marshmallow texture. The aerated mixture is then extruded and cut into these familiar pillow shapes.
The cooling tunnel allows the gelatin to properly gel, transforming from liquid to a
Is bend. Driven by consumer demand, the modern food industry now offers excellent plant-based alternatives like agar-agar and
I want the red and...
Which color is your favorite?
The red ones, they're so yummy.
This educational presentation highlights how the gelatin industry accommodates diverse religious requirements, ensuring authentic